is it a sink back here?
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool. That's cool.
You gotta wash that shit off.
It's a bathroom.
Yeah, I do it in the shower.
Yeah. Y'all ain't gotta shop local all the time. Y'all can shop
Yeah, I got my
local
homies
outside of local. You know?
I got my homies from Atlanta, Texas, New York, LA,
Nolly, you making you a shirt, man?
and North Carolina and Ohio.
How the acting with y'all?
Read the stuff what you doing.
Like she said,
Read the stuff what you doing.
Bring it down. Hand me that black spatula.
You ain't next to me. All this shit I rebuild.
Bro, what part of the pan? What part? That's the back part. So we gonna scrape that off.
Yeah, so I didn't make this hat. I'm a fashion stylist. So like what I do is I just found like a lot of brands. I put them together.
Right.
Oh, you place it on the napkin. Oh, yeah.
I couldn't do nothing like that off, but I could have that.
What the hell? What the hell? What the hell?
Bro, look, let me tell y'all. Can somebody give me the napkins on the table?
He just reminded me.
Oh yeah, I'm going straight up there.
No, I gotta. I'm about to.
I got a shirt waiting on
You go here.
Here you go, Tim.
That's interesting.
This is the type of stuff I do.
Alright, so let's feel y'all.
I'm just trying to grab mine.
I got you.
Teamwork make the scheme work.
Exactly.
No, bro. Okay. Alright, so y'all ever seen American Gangster?
It didn't take me a
You never seen American Gangster? You never seen American Gangster? I'm ashamed of you.
No, shame is crazy. No.
It's a good movie. It's with Denzel Washington. Somebody got shot and they was like standing over an alpaca rug. He was like, you don't rub that shit and you block that shit. Y'all never seen that?
I seen
Y'all
that.
never seen that?
I seen that.
He said that's $15,000 alpaca. You block it. He said get the club soda. Anybody want to talk to me? You call him. Nobody talk to me direct. That's my shit.
If you want to talk to me, you call him. You don't talk to me.
Wait, who using this right now?
I appreciate that like you, bro. For sure.
Let me check yours out. Yeah, I see. I came with the SWINDLE CONTEXTOS logo on the last minute.
That's dope, though. I like that. I like
Let's
that.
hit that with the heat gun.
Yeah, I like
Or-
that inadvertent paint right there.
You want me to improvise?
These accidents coming out really good. It don't even look
No,
like accidents.
my gloves on, but it's okay. Say less. I'm definitely finna use them.
Hell yeah.
There you go.
Definitely.
You got no white one?
No, I mean I could cut them into three, but I just brought black.
Spanky, y'all got some paintbrushes?
That's the same one I want to use.
That could go like
See if you can find paintbrush for
white like this.
A white one.
A white one right here.
Yeah. The only thing is, it's like it's a different material, so it all would depend. You ain't gotta go over it that much. Bro.
Oh,
Go back. No, you ain't gotta. Very cool. No, you don't gotta overdo it.
this. So what we gonna do? Did you pick out the logos that you were gonna use? This one, that's it. Feel free. Like 7 years, almost 10 years. All right, that should be decent. Yeah.
I can do front and back, right?
Yep. Just dry the fresh side first.
Yeah, that's like Steve.
Yeah, you good.
I want that one.
I was gonna say where?
Hell yeah, that's what I want.
Alright, go ahead.
So I was like, I want to get that one.
Yeah.
This boy making an exclusive coat.
They go down.
I just need a
Look, don't trip. I'm finna buy 60 totes. And I I keep looking
I
at
low
it
key,
too, like,
I thought last minute, but I got like 10 blank toast at the crib.
yeah, I need to get into it. I seen Amazon, they got some, yeah, that's a fair amount. Amazon, they got a decent amount.
Get them off of Pro World.
Pro World, send me the link for it.
Pro World Inc. Cause that's where I get my vinyl from. Like my non-brick vinyl, I get it from there, and then they have a lot of like accessories for what we need. And yeah, they got a specific tote bag that's like $7.
How much is it for both though?
Oh, before you
Keep going. Let me get a picture of you. Individual. You like it so far?
no, y'all got one.
I see what you did.
Yeah, I caught him. Like, y'all saw him.
I wouldn't do that, bro. But no, I love it.
I like, I was trying to put on the original. It's to the point now, but like, if my pants get stacked, I really don't even. I hate missing my shoes. Like, for some reason, like, cause that's always the problem. When I'm putting on clothes, the last thing I always do is this. If it's not fitting right, I will go crazy. I don't care how you may see I'm different. If I look down and my feet don't feel like it's going right.
Hey, no problem. I appreciate y'all coming, man. I really do.
You just do another one?
Wait, what you mean? Okay, yeah. I'm gonna work on that. I'm gonna work on that.
What's the name of this press?
I just don't.
A heat press?
Heat press.
Let me see yours, Mark.
Straighten it up.
Oh, bro. It's on my lap.
Just took flight.
Does it have a specific name?
Yeah.
The brand is
Model, the brand?
the brand is Beaver.
You
Hey,
need
where
to
you
stop.
go? What happened to you?
Type shit.
No, bro.
I don't got a shirt, but I got a fit.
No, we gonna get you
Those who
one.
got shirts, come a little forward, come a little be on the front.
Get you at the front. Yeah, we gonna get you one. Well, we gonna make you gonna make you. You gonna do it.
Let me get a test shot real quick.
Students of the game. Can you take a picture of my?
Is this one of your shirts? Is this the shirt that y'all made?
I just did that up real quick. Somebody could do something different.
No, I was just asking because I didn't.
Flicking it up.
Okay,
2, 3.
swindle.
All right, stop. It sounds like a coach.
I'm dead as fuck.
Hold on, wait. Let me.
Wait, one more.
We finna conjure some entity is gonna bust through the wall. Y'all look at me. Hey. Okay.
It's really Kyrie for sure. Damn, man.
Oh,
I
bro.
got a little paint on this table, Callie. It's some sort of chemical that will get this out.
Callie said,
And
what's
I'm
up to
so
YouTube?
sorry, But
What's up, y'all?
You can say whatever you got on your mind. Speak your mind.
oh, me?
Anybody, I don't care. I'm dead.
Talking to me.
Anybody, I don't care. Contextos, Swindle and Brew.
Project.
Oh, bro. This the end of the vlog, you feel me? We wrapping up. I just finished my shirt. Well, I've been finished like a little earlier.
That's some shit that you have to pay for a class for. Even if you did it
I mean,
anywhere else.
it's-
I'm gonna show y'all
we
the
can
front.
do a class like that, you know, but I definitely
Everyone
stand by.
wants to be us with
Some
the
people just don't understand.
Swindle and Brew on the front. But this raw as hell. I signed this like a few years ago. Hold on, y'all can see. I'm gonna post like it in YouTube. Hey, Keyshawn, where we say come?
The bad news beer.